Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasha Ramadan and today I will tell the story about the crow and the pitcher. Introduction to the story. The crow and the pitcher story is one of the famous stories about a crow who was very thirsty and looking for water. After traveling for a long time, someone helped the crow. Can you guess who helped the crow? Yes, you're right. The crow helped itself. This story is taken from Greek storyteller Aesop's fables. Aesop's stories always teach children a moral lesson. So, let's read the story and understand the moral behind it. The story. Once upon a time, there lived a crow in a forest near a small village. It was a very sunny day and the weather was dry. The crow was flying for a long time, so he was very thirsty. It was a very difficult situation because the crow was not able to find any water, but after searching for water for a long time, the crow reached the village. In the village, the crow saw a pitcher and he couldn't believe his eyes, as he saw some water in a pitcher. The crow was very happy and was not able to think of anything else. The crow put his head inside the pitcher, but the poor crow was not able to reach the water. Now, the problem was the pitcher was high and had a narrow neck, and no matter how much he tried, he was not able to reach the water level. The crow became very sad and disappointed. But, you know what? The crow was very, very clever. So, the crow thought a lot of things and started searching for ideas because he was in a very deadly situation. But the good thing is about the crow and that he was very clever and did not give up when he faced different situations. This attitude of crow helped him and got an amazing idea. The crow saw some pebbles lying on the floor. He thought that if he threw the pebbles in the pot, then the water in the pot would be rise up, and then he would be able to drink the water and fly back to the forest. This idea gave him hope, and he started to searching for some pebbles. Flew towards the pebbles and put one in his beak, and then he flew back to the pot and dropped the pebble in the pot. The crow did this again and again. He put pebble in his mouth and came back to the pitcher and dropped the pebble in the pitcher. After some time, the crow tried to drink the water, but he still couldn't reach the water level. Now, the crow had become more thirsty and tired still. He did not give up, and after repeating this process for a long time, the water level rise up so much that the crow was able to drink the water. The crow then put his beak in the pitcher and started to drinking the water very fast. And with every sip of water, he felt more alive. After drinking enough of water, the crow flew back happily to his forest. Sekian dari saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.